Hey y'all, Ariel here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and stopping by. So today we have another hair review. As you can see, I need my hair done, okay? So we're working with Coleen wigs today. This is my first time working with this company. They don't have the actual name on the dust bag, but this is from them. Okay y'all, so inside of my packaging they gave me this super cute brush slash comb. It's a double-ended tool, super cute. It has like this ombre going on. I'm definitely gonna use this because this is cute. This would be good for some edges, y'all. I'm gonna use this. And they also gave me some wig caps. So with this unit, I did go ahead and bleach the knots. I wash conditioned her and I plucked just slightly, but this is what the hair is looking like. It's a bob, y'all, and it's kind of like a kinky texture, and it also has the natural edges to it. I try not to get like the bleach on the edges. And then this is the inside of the wig. We're gonna fit it on our head and make sure that it fits really good. This wig is supposed to be for a glueless install, so we're gonna see how this works out, being that this is a frontal. I feel like closures are always easier, and I think they do have that option on their website, but I got a frontal. We're still gonna make it work, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and adjust my straps on the back, and I'm also gonna tighten up the elastic band just to make sure that this fits nice and gripped on my head, because I'm not using any adhesives today, and I'm gonna try not to use any sprays. Okay y'all, so we got the wig cap on. I was already using these two on my head, so I'm like, yeah, it's no need of me opening a fresh pack when these are still some good. They're a little tight though. I might need to cut it to like, yeah, let me cut this because I'm not trying to get a headache. I'm gonna make a little slit in the back, just a little one, because they rip fast. So because I did burn myself the last time, I'm not trying to let that happen. So I'm gonna take my little dome cap and put this on the dome cap and just straighten it out just a little bit, okay? That thing here hurt, y'all. After the fact, I didn't feel it at first. I'm gonna keep talking about it because it done heal up now, but y'all be careful, okay? All right, so we got her on the blockhead. And she's very full. I'm just ready. I think I'm gonna do a deep side part, y'all. Now I will tell y'all, I feel like I have to go back in and bleach the knots one more time because the knots are still visible. But for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and install this unit. I need my wax stick. That's what I need. So I'm gonna take my Care wax stick, and I feel like I need to get me another hot comb because my hot comb is not getting hot like how it used to. So I'm gonna just have to go to the hair store after I film. Hopefully I'll be able to get one before they close. It usually takes me hours, y'all, to actually record a YouTube video, and then on top of that I'm doing a TikTok video, so yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and comb the hair. The lace is very soft and a little stretchy. It looks so crazy right now, but it does fit from ear to ear. Okay, Miss Coleen, cause period. I think I do need to go ahead and put some makeup on the lace. That's what I'm gonna do. Take some clips and go ahead and clip this hair out my face. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the extra piece of lace on the side right here and right here. This lace is very stretchy. Okay, so this wig definitely fits comfortable on my head, y'all, and I love that. That's a plus. Hot comb my edges back. I'm gonna take my handy dandy razor and we're gonna go ahead and cut off the extra lace that we don't need, but I am gonna leave a tiny little bit. All right, so we got one side done. Can y'all see that? And then the other side right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this and I'll be right back. So I'm gonna take my little foam and put it all over this wig. Of course, it's not going to lay flat like how an adhesive or a spray will make it because we are using foam, but it's flat enough to where I can go ahead and put my elastic band on. And then I'm just taking the ends and making sure that I pull it down. Pull it, and even in the middle, pull it. So I am gonna do a side part, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and comb out the curls. It would be smart for me to just go ahead and start spraying as I go. Like, since I got this layer done, let me go ahead and wet it. The lace right here is still wet, but I want to go ahead and kind of position the way I want my edges to lay. And it's a little difficult because, as you can see, it's not like any adhesive. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and put me an outfit on. I'm gonna put a little bit more makeup on the lace. The hair isn't completely dried yet, y'all, but I feel like I did pretty good.